This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra to your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Next, make sure your Apple Watch Ultra has at least 50% battery charge. Then, power on your watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. This prepares both devices for a smooth and efficient pairing process, getting you ready for the next steps quickly. Once your watch is powered on, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap Pair New Watch and follow the simple on-screen prompts. You'll then be asked to position your iPhone over the unique animation displayed on your Apple Watch Ultra's screen. This clever visual pairing method ensures a secure and straightforward connection, making the initial setup incredibly user-friendly and quick to complete. After the visual pairing, you'll have the option to set up your Apple Watch Ultra as a new device or restore from a previous backup. Carefully review and agree to the terms and conditions, then create a secure passcode for your watch. You can also customize settings like text size and bold text to suit your preferences, ensuring a comfortable and personalized viewing experience right from the start. Finally, sign in with your Apple ID to synchronize all your apps and services seamlessly. You'll also have the opportunity to configure essential features such as cellular service, Apple Pay, and emergency SOS settings. Once these steps are complete, your Apple Watch Ultra will be fully connected and ready for you to enjoy all its advanced capabilities and features with your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.